I don't usually dress up so much for a video. I'm heading out for a bit. What's up guys, welcome back to another video. So yesterday on my Instagram I put up a story asking you guys about what you want to know and what video should I make next. But I don't understand, you guys still keep saying how to sell on StockX, Hypebeast house tour. I already told you in the last video or last to last video that I have already started shooting the how to sell on StockX video, and now you got to understand that it takes a couple of days. It's a full process that I have to complete, and once that is done, only then will the video be ready. So stop asking me to drop that video. I will as soon as I can. So apart from that, a lot of you guys were still asking me about how to buy Jordans on retail, and you know, the same usual questions that I've been making videos on from a long time. I understand that with every video we get a lot of new viewers on our channel, so I would like to request you all to kindly go through my channel first, and you will find all such videos and all your questions answered in most of them. So in case you don't want to go through the effort of finding those videos, then as per what is relevant for today, here is the video that you need to go and watch first, that is how to buy Jordans on retail. And once you have watched that, I would request you to kindly go and watch the Nike sneakers video again, because after watching this video you're gonna be like, oh, Nike sneakers India, how to buy. So I've already covered that. Go and watch that. And talking about all of this, so today what I'm going to do is I'm going to tell you about 5 Jordan sneakers that are globally sold out but are still available on retail in India. I really like this transition, yeah. I think we should do it every time. Now before we get started, do not forget to subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram. Alright, so before I get started with the 5 Jordans that I'm going to share with you guys that are still available on retail, you got to keep a few things in mind. First, they are already sold out globally and they are sort of reselling for about $30 to $50 higher than the retail, which in our case is not relevant because our retail is already equal to that. So all the sneakers I want to share with you today are majorly for personal use, since you guys keep asking me about getting Jordans on retail. Secondly, they are all available on Nike India sneakers website and in limited sizes only. So as and when I speak of the each shoe, I will even show you what sizes are available and how much it retails for. And thirdly, these are all great silhouettes and they are definitely a must cop if you want to wear them day in and day out. Now, the first one is the Jordan 3 denims. Now this sneaker was recently released and to my surprise, they are still sitting on the Nike India website and has not yet been sold out. So this is an all white sneaker with the iconic elephant print on the shoe, and this time around for the denims what they have done is, instead of the elephant print in leather, they have used denim on the shoe and hence it is called denims. So the retail for this is about 17,600 rupees and they are an SE, which is a special edition. So you get the Nike Air logo on the back along with the translucent Jumpman branding over it, like we have seen in the recently released fragments as well. Now next, at number 2 would be the Jordan 5 Bel Air or Ghost Green as it is called. Now these sneakers were originally released back in 2013 in the grey colorway with the purple midsole. So this time around they have sort of released an alternate version which has a white upper and along with the same purple midsole. Now these sneakers are pretty iconic and Jordan 5 has always been one of my favorite silhouettes. Also the quality on these is pretty amazing as against many other Jordan 5s that release. So these are available for about 16,600 on Nike Sneakers India again. Surprisingly, they are available in all sizes and I would suggest you to go for them if you want to try your first Jordan 5s or if you just out in the market to get any Jordans on retail. Now third, we have the Jordan 6 Hare or whatever it's called, I don't know the H-A-R-E, don't quote me if I'm wrong. Now these sneakers are also inspired by the previously released Jordan 7 Hare, which were also nicknamed as Hare Jordans. So those are pretty iconic and in fact till date are one of the top Jordan 7s to have ever released. Now this one, like I said, is inspired by that, so it comes in white and grey upper with hits of bright colors like red, purple, green and a couple more colors. And the quality on this shoe is great. Again, I don't need to say that for every single Jordan, they are pretty nice. And talking about comfort, Jordan 6 is my second favorite silhouette after the Jordan 5s. Like I've said before also, I'm not that much into Jordan 1s. In fact, I like the Jordan 3s, 4s, 5s and 6s and I am getting into that slowly and steadily. So these retail for about 16,000 rupees and are available at Super Kicks and Veg Non-Veg in a couple of sizes, if not all of them. So I would suggest you to give it a thought and check these sneakers out, as they are pretty iconic and they should sell out pretty soon. Alright, so the next one in the list is the Jordan 7 GC. Now sadly, these shoes are not yet sold out and they are pretty iconic with a lot of graphical and tonal designs on the inside and the outside of the shoe, and it also has some glow in the dark elements. Now why these are not sold out, I believe, is because it has the name China in its name, and probably that is the reason you guys are not going for it or are avoiding that shoe. But that is a great shoe overall and it is sold out globally, and I think you guys should definitely try. If you haven't really worn a Jordan 7 before, then let me tell you that I have a couple of friends who wear Jordan 7 and they actually play basketball with those shoes, and they are extremely comfortable. And not just that, they even look great on feet, especially with all the design elements in this specific GC version. So these retail for about 17,600 and again are available in all sizes on Nike Sneakers India. So I think you should definitely give it a shot. Now lastly, we have the Jordan 11 Lows in the Sketch colorway, which is a women's only release. Now I had made a video sometime back where I had predicted for Jordan 11 Lows to come to India. So we did see the bread colorway come in stores in Super Kicks, Veg Non-Veg along with the Nike India website. But we sort of missed out on the Sketch colorway as they did not make it in store and they were dropped on the Indian website only. Now there are a couple of sizes available in that, not a lot of sizes, but these are for women only, and I know there are a couple of girls or a couple of women who watch my videos, and I have spoken to many of them and guided them about what sneakers they should buy. So if you're watching this, then this is a definite colorway that you should go for, and the silhouette you should try next, because they are inspired by the Concord 11s, which is a very iconic shoe, and this time comes in a low version which is even more comfortable, so you should definitely give it a shot. Alright, so these were all the Jordans that I want to talk about and share with you guys, which are available in India on retail. Now the most important thing why I made this video is because, like, you guys keep asking me about hype sneakers not coming to India, we not getting a fair chance to get them. Now all this is happening because we are a developing market, and until and unless sneakers like these don't sell out like they do sell out globally, we are not going to get more and more sneakers in India. So if you want this community and this culture to grow in India and to have a chance at getting all the hype sneakers right here, then you got to start buying all these regular sneakers and wearing them, using them and enjoying them. So that's all from me for today. Do let me know in the comments below which of these sneakers would you give it a shot or would you try, because I have advised you to, and I will see you in the next one. Peace. BTS, चलिए शुरू करते हैं।